What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're at the house, clad, giving kind of cut. Ooh, nice. But today I'm gonna be installing Damond Motorsports motor mount for my mom's Mazda 5 because I don't know if you guys can see that the mount basically blew up. So here's the replacement. We'll go ahead and unbox it. Bert, I'm gonna cut it here. Okay, got it open. Woo! Should I slap this on the car? What's up? I have a feeling this is the wrong one. I'll tell you right now. Okay, so I thought I bought the wrong one, but thank God Clyde knows what he's talking about. So this piece goes here. Okay. But yeah, it goes there. And then this, like this. I guess. Okay, so first I'm gonna go under the car and take off the guard, and after that I'm gonna jack up the motor so that I can loosen the nuts holding the mount together, and then those bolts. If anyone was wondering why I'm putting a Damond Motorsports mount into my mom's car, it's because so basically the Mazda 3s and the Mazda 5s and maybe the CX-5s, I'm not too sure, the mounts like to blow up because there's like those liquids and it wears out. So my mom said to just buy her the best one, so I decided to go with the Damond. Mr. Cheeseface over here. But yeah, you just decided to go with the Damond so that she doesn't have to run into that problem in the future. So little man jacked up the car. Little man got the car jacked up for me. Thank you. So yeah, we just got the jack underneath, and then I'm about to loosen this up. I got this guy criticizing me the entire time. But look at it. Oh my god. Still good, right? For sale, if anyone like buy them. Come on. And just like that, we got out. Yeah, this mount is gone. Oh well, on to better things. Okay, so I got the mount assembled. I didn't tighten anything yet, but I'm about to. This is how it'll look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up and put it in the car.
Yeah, it's not like fucking down, man.
I'm sorry if this is all Clyde in the video, because he likes to scream.
Is that a what, skated?
Yeah. Finish cut, finish cut. Comment down below, how do you think Kai looks? Does he look like a K-pop star? What's up? Okay, the mount's about to go back on. I'll clean this another day. My mom is kind of like on a time frame because she wants to use the car. So you're gonna use the same bolts for the bottom two and the same two nuts for these studs. No idea where we're gonna put this ground. Figure it out, figure it out. Nice. Nice. That was embarrassing. Hey, but like, if you like that shit. Okay. Sick! Amazing! Cut. Okay, got the socket back. Sick! Oh, forgot to tighten these ones. Hey, and we good. We're just gonna drop down the car and put the bolts for the guard back on and figure out where to put that.
Good.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, so everything's back on the car. Clean black. Woo! Probably I think it's the only thing that is not stock on the car. But my mom said she wanted the best, so you already know. I'll hook it up for my mom. Since she, you know, lets me park my broken whips under the garage while her Mercedes just chills out here. Ooh, the M3 and the neon though.
While Calvin is doing the under panel, I'm gonna do the most important job. Hee hee. The most important job there is. Right there. What do you guys think about that right there? Black on black. Doesn't look too bad.
Ah, my finger! Ah, my finger!
Content!
Ah, my finger!
What did you do? Ah, what did you do?
It like I tried to push this in. We're good, guys. We're good.
That's what you guys wanted. Calvin, how was the install?
Easy.
Okay, end result. Damond Motorsports. Right there. Passenger motor mount. Got rid of all that messiness. Now for the most important job. This. And bam. Damond Motorsports sticker.
So here's a little clip from it actually in the sun. Once again, I will clean this up when I have time. My mom needs to use the car, but I can already feel it's stiffer. I got the stiffest one. Actually, I'm not too sure if there's even settings, but it's really stiff compared to the stock for sure. You can feel it when you turn it on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video there. The mount was easy. Maybe took about 20 minutes. Just by myself. Clyde was over there just cutting hair and doing nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching and hope to see you guys in the next one. Stu!